Hello everyone. So today in this video, we are going to provide the solution for this question, a sports apparel company, where we have two tables showing the skills silk screen company, their cities and states, and the other one is the distribution center. So in this question, they are asking about this question to be solved in Excel and formulate this problem and determine the optimal shipments. So I have provided the solution and I've used Excel solver to formulate the question and provided the optimal solution. So this is my answer for this question. I've used Xij for the amounts of goods shipped and from source I to J, and the objective function as decided in this question, minimum X4. So I have taken, these are the decision variables, and this is the constants that I've taken for this solution. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. So if you require this copy of Excel file, you can just message me out in the chat box. I will surely give you the Excel file. Thank you.